for many times, this is what I've been using for most of my videos. It's a little Fujifilm adventure camera. I'm still going to use this camera for whenever I do different videos around like creeks and rivers or swimming and different things like that for you guys to see, so I can actually go underwater and show you guys what it's like. So that's pretty awesome. But with that being said, let's go on another adventure. I can't wait. Welcome to another episode on Snow Peak Adventures. My name is Vince, and today I got a new package. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So, I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. That's because I've been busy working on my graduation and things of that nature. And I've just been busy. Yard work, schoolwork, all that fun stuff. So, what do we have here? Alright. Yeah, I don't need that. Don't need that. Today, I have my all-new digital video camera. Pretty sick. I've been looking for an upgrade for a long time, because the video camera I'm working with right now, it's great. It's an action camera. I could take this camera underwater. It does a good job for the filming that I've done. Plus I have my DSLR. But, you know, I needed something where, you know, I have a viewer that I could actually see myself talking into the camera. And just, I don't know, something with a longer battery life than what I'm working with right now. Plus this comes with 2 batteries, not 1. Which it's pretty cool, so I'll bounce back between this new camera and the camera that I'm talking to right now, just to, you know, play around and see what happens. Plus I'll be doing my photography work on the side of that as well, and be posting those into my, you know, videos and on my social media and stuff like that. So let's open this up. So when you open up the container, you get a charging port, I believe, and you can hook this up into a computer or your TV to view the video as well. Here's the battery. It's tiny. I thought it was going to be bigger. Here's the second battery. Let's see this. This is the charge, the plug, the you know, outlet. So you just hook the wire in there. It's a USB. So it does that. And then this. That's cool. It comes in its own little pouch. Keep it protected. And here's the camcorder. I almost dropped it just now. I mean, it's not bad. The battery goes in the back. It's got a flip out screen. You know. So I have the viewer I can watch myself. I got some buttons here on the side. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Don't want to break the damn thing. Just got it. Alright, I'm all packed up. Did my running around. Yeah, that mirror needs to get changed a little bit. Let's hit the road. So I'm here at Kerola Campers taking a look at some of the inventory they have here. This is a family-owned and operated RV dealership that specializes in small trailers. So if you have any questions, their phone number is down in the description below. And let's go see what they have. As you can tell, inside their main building is a gift store with a whole bunch of different camping equipment and whatnot. And who is this? Who do we have here? Oh, belly flops, huh? Alright, yawn it out, buddy. Stretch it out. So anything and everything you would need, they have it here. They have reading materials on the different trailers that they carry in stock. Cast iron products. And this is their old Zero Scotty trailer. It's an impressive little unit. Teardrop model, of course, but as you look inside, it's big enough for one adult. And honestly, it's kind of dark in here. I'm sorry about that, but cabinetry in the back. Kerola Campers offers a few different choices. You have Aliner, you have Retro, Riverside RV, and a few of their Forest River R-Pods. You also carry StarCraft products as well. So here we have their little Riverside Retro Teardrop camper. Let's go take a look. Practically tow this with anything. I like the fact that it comes with an AC unit. That's awesome. You have above head storage. You have reading lights below. Double mattress. You have a wall outlet, fire extinguisher, more cabinetry up above. You could probably even put a small foldable flat screen TV right there, DVD player even. That's not a bad unit. Then, if you come around here, you have your outside kitchen. It comes with a 2-burner stove and a sink, which is really cool. A little bit of storage down below there. It even comes with a hitch receiver. It's not a 2-inch, but you could still probably put a bike rack on the back of that, which is sweet. Plenty of storage. I mean, you could put a lot up on this top part here. GFCI outlet as well. Here's your fuse box back here. Nice thing is you get it's a Dometic countertop, but this folds flat, so you can use this as countertop space. Yeah, decent storage in there. It's not bad storage. This is impressive. On and on switch for the water pump. Pretty convenient. Now let's take a look at their Forest River R-Pod that they have on display here. This R-Pod is the 195. You got the Asdale composite siding, nice handrail, non-swaying door, so it's hinged in a way that the wind won't blow it. Screen door, aluminum steps, which is a nice feature. Let's hop on in. As you come on inside, you have kitchen here in the back, really nice. Big sink and a cover on there as well. You got your 2-burner propane stove by Suburban and glass countertop, range hood with lights and a fan. Plenty of storage in this unit. I mean, this is impressive. Storage underneath the sink as well. You got some drawers. Comes with a microwave convection oven. Nice feature. 2-way Dometic refrigerator, freezer, refrigerator. That's not bad. This would be good enough for a week and a half worth of food for me. Down there's your fuse box right there. A little bit of storage here as well. There's a dog bowl for any of you pet owners out there. This camper does come with a dog bowl. Coat rack. All your control panel stuff is right here. So awning, slide room, lights, you know, you name it. It's right here. It's really convenient as you walk in the door. On this side over here, it does come with a folding table, which is out of the way. Looking in here, you do have a pantry space, closet. Tons of space. That is impressive space. Over here you got a U-shaped dinette with a foldable table that you could take outside. I really like the floor. It's like a linoleum. Really nice, and then same with the counter top here at the dinette. Very nice material, really cool. Definitely you got more storage space up here, and they are on hinges. Shock hinges as well. Slam latch. Up front you have a nice big queen size bed. AC unit, pretty cool. You do have decent storage, and you probably have pass-through from outside as well. Up here you have a flat screen TV, and it's on a mount, so you could swing this out into the living area and kitchen if you're cooking. Yeah, I mean, this for me would be perfect to live in. I could totally live out of this. Over here you have your air conditioning unit, controls, water level tank, black water, gray water, all that fun stuff. In here is your bathroom. You have a foot flush stool, plastic, not porcelain. You got some storage over there, storage underneath the sink, tiny little sink, but it's manageable. Up here, hey, what's up guys? And nice medicine cabinet as well. So that's impressive. Hide some stuff. You do have a curtain shower, and the shower rod is at an angle, so it gives you more space. Big space. I mean, very impressive for a bathroom. I could take a shower in this, and you have the skylight above, so if you're 6 feet taller, it works really well. And you do get the fantastic fan in here as well. So, I mean, you can really get a lot of air blowing through here. Let's go take a look at another unit. So right here, we're looking at a mossy oak. I believe it's by StarCraft. Probably an Autumn Ridge. It's a 26 BH, so it's a bunkhouse. Once again, you got pass-through storage up front, door. You got your screen door, metal steps, and a grab handle. As you walk in, nice layout. Sofa up here that probably turns into a futon, turns into a bed. You can sleep 1 or 2 children on there. Up here you do have a master bedroom, queen size bed, plenty of storage space. It doesn't get any much better than this. You got a hanging rod up there, hang some shirts. Decent space. Door to close off this area as well, and you do have a AC vent. All LED lighting throughout. I don't think they're turned on, no, but tap lighting throughout. You do get wall outlets, so if you have CPAP machine, you can use that or charge your phones at night, and any other electronics. So coming into the living room and kitchen, again, here's that sofa. Here's your AC unit. Storage space up here, electronics right there. Nice booth dinette, turns into a bed. Nice countertop. Kitchen, here's your two-way refrigerator, gas and electric refrigerator made by Dometic. Got a microwave here as well. Range hood with fan and light. 3-burner cooktop, and this unit does come with an oven as well. So, pretty impressive. Double sink, plastic, but at the same time, double sink with a residential style faucet. Tons of cabinet space, too. I mean, just impressive amounts of space. You got drawers down here. Multiple drawers. Alright, let's go take a look at the back. So as you come to the rear of the unit, double bunk here, and they are queen-sized beds. Almost queen size. Probably a full size more than anything, but this is perfect for the kiddos. You get a window, you get a light up here, and you get an outlet to charge stuff as well. Coming back here, you get the bathroom. You have a sink back here, more cabinetry, medicine cabinet as well, plenty of storage. Back here you got a nice size shower, with skylight. So, and the skylight is also has a fan. You have air conditioning outlet back here and an LED light. And your foot flush toilet. Let's go see if there's another unit we could look at. Here we have a retro Riverside RV. This is the 179 floor plan. Comes in a really nice light blue. Comes in the cool classic hubs as well. You step on in, you do got the checkered pattern flooring. You got a front dinette, and you got a cover over the front window, but that raises up when you're in a campsite to give you extra light in here as well. Coming in here, you have your kitchen. You do have a fold-up table as well for more prep space. Nice suburban glass-covered 2-burner stove, propane stove. Got a hood. You got a microwave. You got decent storage up here. And a small sink as well. You got nice drawers down here as well. As you come in here, big beautiful bed back here, queen size bed. Storage on both sides, reading lights above, cabinetry up over there. I just love the wood paneling in here. I mean, this paneling is fantastic. You do get speakers in here, LED tap lights. It's decent space, definitely. So here's standing in the back of the unit, looking up front. You can see there's the dinette table. That folds down into a bed. You can sleep 1 to 2 children, probably 1 adult comfortably. Fire alarm up there. Let's look at the bathroom real quick. It's a nice sized bathroom, I'm not going to lie. This is not a foot flush toilet, but it does have a side. Oh, it is foot flush down on the side. It is plastic and not porcelain. Right here is your sink with storage underneath. Wall outlet as well to use a hair dryer. Nice medicine cabinet in here as well. I think people like that. You know, LED light, skylight in the shower. Big shower, very big shower. And then you have a curtain that goes all the way around. Your bathroom does come with a fan in the skylight as well. So, pretty impressive unit, not gonna lie. They make a good product at Riverside Retro. So here we have the Aliner Scout Lite Edition. This is exactly what I have. It's a great trailer, I love it. It comes with the AC unit on there. No window in the doorway. I got my window optional as well. So I had that as an added option for my camper. Let's go take a look inside. You got an outside porch light here. 35 years in business. Aliner's been doing travel trailers for a really long time. Great product overall. I really like it. This unit is exactly the same thing as I have. You have your galley up front. It only comes with a sink and no stove. You have underside cabinetry down here underneath the sink. I do like the lighter tone wood. I have the darker gray in my trailer. Probably put a mini fridge here or a cooler or even a cassette toilet if you wanted to. One of those, you know, porta potty things. Not bad. I like the pattern texture in here. Here's your back dinette that turns into a bed as well. There's your table right there. Underside cabinetry. So, plenty of storage in this unit. Plenty. Reading light. Smoke alarm. Here's your one window, and then again, like I said, there's no window in the doorway, but in my trailer I have it, and it makes a world of difference. This, I think, is just too dark without the window there. Plus, you get better cross ventilation. Up here, you have a fantastic fan with 3-way speed, in and out, and whatnot. So, overall, pretty good unit. They're selling this unit for $9,495. So, if you're interested, this is everything it includes. It's a 2020 Aliner Scout Lite. If anybody's interested, again, that's Kerola Campers up here in Hermitage, PA. I'll put the phone number down below as well on the screen. So if you are interested in any of the trailer units that we viewed today, please give them a great call and a huge shout out. That'd be greatly appreciated.